Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the minimum balance for BrioDirect. I know this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I'm glad to finally be able to answer it for you. But before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about what BrioDirect is and why it's important. What is BrioDirect? BrioDirect is a digital banking platform that allows you to manage your finances from anywhere in the world. It's a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to bank. With BrioDirect, you can do things like open a checking account, apply for a credit card, get a personal loan, invest your money, and much more. Why is BrioDirect important? BrioDirect is important because it gives you the freedom to manage your finances on your own terms. You can access your accounts from anywhere in the world, at any time of day. BrioDirect is also a great way to save money. There are no monthly fees or hidden charges associated with using the platform. What is the minimum balance for BrioDirect? Now that we've covered the basics, let's get to the question that you're all here for. What is the minimum balance for BrioDirect? The minimum balance for BrioDirect is $100. This is a relatively low minimum balance compared to other banks. This makes BrioDirect a great option for people who are just starting out or who are on a tight budget. What are the benefits of having a minimum balance of $100? There are a few benefits to having a minimum balance of $100 with BrioDirect. First, it helps you to avoid monthly fees. If your account balance falls below $100, you will be charged a monthly fee of $5. Second, it helps you to qualify for certain perks. For example, if you have a minimum balance of $100, you will be eligible for a free overdraft protection service. Third, it helps you to build your credit score. Having a healthy minimum balance shows that you are a responsible borrower. This can help you to get approved for loans and credit cards in the future. How can I meet the minimum balance requirement? There are a few ways to meet the minimum balance requirement for BrioDirect. You can make an initial deposit of $100 or more when you open your account. You can transfer money from another bank account to your BrioDirect account. You can earn money by using your BrioDirect debit card or credit card. What happens if I don't meet the minimum balance requirement? If you don't meet the minimum balance requirement, you will be charged a monthly fee of $5. You may also be ineligible for certain perks, such as overdraft protection. The minimum balance for BrioDirect is $100. This is a relatively low minimum balance compared to other banks. There are a few benefits to having a minimum balance of $100, such as avoiding monthly fees and qualifying for certain perks. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to bank, BrioDirect is a great option. Additional tips. If you're having trouble meeting the minimum balance requirement, you can consider setting up automatic transfers from another bank account. You can also use BrioDirect's budgeting tools to help you track your spending and save money. You can sign up for BrioDirect's rewards program to earn points that you can redeem for cash or gift cards. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you to learn more about the minimum balance for BrioDirect. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.